Hey guys, naataron sa Shimakaze Japanese restaurant. It's located in Langtad. Actually, before they were in Donhill, however, they have moved. So it's in front of GD Fuel, ma'am, no? In front of GD Fuel, and they open daily 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. So karon ilaha kong gi-invite to try out their spicy paitan ramen, and this is worth pila gani ni ma'am? 380 pesos for this huge bowl, and it's already good for sharing. And naapod sila gi-serve na California Maki. Mauni siya guys. Mauni ilang California Maki, and this is 220 pesos. And naapod sila gyoza, and their gyoza is how much gani ma'am? 180 pesos for 5 pieces of gyoza. And I also ordered their ebi katsu. This is shrimp roll, shrimp tempura.
Katsu.
Unsa di?
Katsu. Lahi po na ebi tempura.
Lahi po na ebi tempura. So ebi katsu is how much, ma'am? 220 gyapon siya. So daghan na kayo siya, guys. So if you're planning to celebrate any event or just simply feel to if you're just craving for Japanese food, please come and visit Shimakaze, located in Langtad, Argao, Cebu. So mga onta guys. Itadakimasu. So kanita na food guys. Freshly made gud ni sila guys. So di mo mag-expect og mga baw-baw kay giandam gyud na fresh for you. May kaya ng maki. Ilawan na tanan. So if you have any inquiries, naa sila Facebook page. Namo Shima Rabato or Shimakaze? Shimakaze Japanese restaurant?
Shimakaze ramen, Japanese ramen bar.
Sige, check sa ni ma'am ang Facebook page nila. So if you have any
Shimakaze ramen and bar.
Shimakaze Ramen and Bar ang ilang Facebook page. So naamo magpa-reserve mo or namo any inquiries, tagpila ang ilang mga products, just feel free to message them in Facebook. Well, anyways, ako ang other video na kanang take o kanang shot sa ilahang menu. So if you are interested to look at the prices sa ilang mga gipang sell there na food items, feel free to check out my other video about Shimakaze. So thank you so much for joining me today. Actually, today is the day before my birthday. So, murag celebration na po day. So, salamat kayo Shimakaze for inviting me today. And nagkakaon na gyud ko balik sa inyong ramen, sa inyong maki, sa inyong gyoza, o sa inyong ebi katsu. So, thank you so much. And please do support Shimakaze, located again in Langtad, Argao, Cebu. Thank you guys!